Om Namah Shivaya children. In this video, I will discuss the summary and major theme of the story Three Questions written by Leo Tolstoy. Three Questions is a parable, a simple short story that gives a moral or spiritual lesson. This is the picture of Leo Tolstoy. He was born in 1828 and died in the year 1910. He was a Russian novelist regarded as one of the greatest of all time. He is known as a great realistic writer of world literature. His famous novels are War and Peace, Anna Karenina, A Confession, and many more famous short stories. Many things he has written. Here is the summary. A certain king thought that if he knew three things, the right time to do things, the most important people to work with, and the most important thing to do at all times, he would never fail. Many educated people tried to answer his questions, but it was not satisfactory. The king was not satisfied, so he decided to meet a wise hermit who lived in a wood. He knew that the hermit met only simple people, so he disguised himself as an ordinary man, left his bodyguards, and went to visit the hermit alone. The hermit greeted the king but did not answer his questions. He continued to dig his ground. The king was thoughtful, felt sorry for the hermit. He dug beds for him. After 2 hours, a wounded man came running towards them. He was bleeding. The king took great care of the wounded man. He tried to stop the bleeding by using his handkerchief, gave fresh water, and together with the hermit took him inside the hut. The next morning, the wounded man told the king that he was his enemy. He wanted to kill him, but his life was saved by the king. He now wanted to be his faithful servant. When the king asked the question for the last time, the hermit told him that he had already been answered. How? The time was important when the king was digging the beds. He did not return, so he did not meet his enemy. And he was doing good thing for the hermit. When the wounded man came, he took great care of him. The wounded man was the important person for him at that time. The wounded man's life was saved by the king. So the wounded man, who was his enemy, now wanted to be his faithful servant. The answers were simple. The most important time is the present because it is the only time over which we have power. The most important person is whoever you are with, and the most important thing is to do good to that person you are with. These are the answers the king had got from his own actions. Character of the hermit. I have written the points here. You have to explain them in full sentences in your own way. Old, weak, lived in a wood, met simple people, well known for wisdom. At first he did not answer the king's questions. He was concerned with the present time. At that time he was digging the beds, so he was concerned with digging the ground. He turned the king's attention to the wounded man. Together with the king, he took great care of the wounded man. He did not interfere when the wounded man told the king the truth that he was his enemy. The hermit did not interfere where he was not needed. He did not give the answers to the king directly, but encouraged or guided the king to actively engage in the actions that were before him, so that the king could know the answers from his own actions. Character of the king. He wanted to know the answers to three questions so that he could do the right thing at the right time with right people's advice. Not satisfied with the answers, he went to meet the wise hermit. Not proud to wear simple clothes, so to dig the ground. He was polite, humble, thoughtful, kind. He was polite in his behavior to the hermit. He was thoughtful, felt sorry for the hermit, tried to save the wounded man without thinking who that man might be, happy to have made peace with the enemy. He forgave the wounded man after knowing the truth. He got the answers by helping the hermit, by taking care of the wounded man, and by forgiving the enemy. These are the points you have to explain in full sentences. Theme. In the short story, Three Questions, Leo Tolstoy explores the theme of wisdom, acceptance, kindness, and forgiveness. The story takes the form of parable and is about a king who wants to know the answers of the three most important questions so as to get enlightenment. Moral of the story. The story tells us the importance of time, so we should not waste it. The story tells the importance of people, so we have to respect all people, accept people as they are. The story also tells us that to do good to the person you are with. It is one of the most important things to do. We are all part of this big world that is changing day by day, and if we stop helping and giving hand to each other, everything will fall apart. Acceptance, accepting people as they are. Kindness and forgiveness, always kind to others. Forgive our enemies. And we should have knowledge. These are the major themes of the story. I hope you have all understood the concept of the story, but you must read the story 3 to 4 times thoroughly and listen what I have given what I have said in this video. Remember the points. Om Namah Shivaya.